So we're in the travel trailer today trying to get away from a neighbor who's grinding up wood. I hope the sound is okay. And we're looking at my Sigma DP Quattro, and specifically we're thinking about its lack of an EVF. The only thing you have to compose with is the built-in screen, which can be difficult to see in bright sunshine. And if you're trying to do manual focusing, it's almost impossible if it's a bright day. So to deal with that situation, I had one of these one of these cheap magnifying viewfinders, and I tried that out. And I needed one hand to hold the camera and one hand to hold the viewfinder, and then one hand to operate the controls. So that didn't work very well. Sigma does make something similar that attaches to the camera via the tripod socket. But I noticed from the specs for that it's about 5 inches long. So it makes a fairly slim camera a pretty bulky device. So I went on eBay and I found this folding viewfinder. It folds up, sort of like the top of a Rolleiflex twin lens reflex, and it has magnets on the back, so it attaches to the screen with magnets. And they come in various sizes and various colors, but I got the black in the largest size, which is rated for the Canon 5D. Anyway, it fits the Sigma camera perfectly. It's the perfect size. And this is the box it came in. It's the MDV LCD folding screen. And to attach it to your camera, they give you this metal rectangle which adheres via peel and stick adhesive. So I did it according to the instructions. I wiped the screen off with alcohol, and I positioned it very carefully, and I rubbed it down, and I waited 24 hours for the adhesive to gain maximum strength. And then I put the viewfinder on it, and it immediately fell off. The adhesive was not strong enough to hold to my camera screen. And it may work with some cameras, but it certainly was not working with this one. So I had to go to Plan B, and Plan B turned out to be making a bracket. So I had some scrap metal, and that had the 90-degree angle in it already. So I drew the pattern on the steel, and I cut it out with a metal cutting blade in my saber saw, and then I smoothed the edges and painted it with black spray paint. I painted it black. And now I'll put it on the camera. So here it is. Here's the bracket attached to the camera. And I attached it with a socket gizmo that I got on Amazon for about $4. And this just is held on magnetically. And the bracket has a lot more steel in it than the rectangle that came with it, so it adheres a lot better. And we'll turn on the camera. And so even in bright daylight, it's very easy to see. And it has a magnifier that pops up. So is very helpful for when you're doing manual focusing. So it's a bit like using a twin lens reflex, except that you are looking straight out instead of looking down at the screen. And it folds nicely. Folds into a compact package, as you can see. Doesn't add any very much bulk to the camera. And it also comes with this nice carrying case if you want to transport it separately from the camera, but I just leave it on the camera. So it works very well. And you order this device from China, and it takes a while to get here, but it seems to be very well made, and the magnets are very strong. It sticks very well. So that was my solution to not being able to see the screen of the Sigma DP Quattro. And if I get any more of these particular cameras, they make 4 versions, I could either make another bracket for the new camera or just change the bracket over and use this on the other camera as well. Okay, thank you.